Hello traders, hope you are all doing great. This video is about Algo trading platform. Recently I had a conversation with a Algo trading platform called Quantman, and in fact we have a webinar on 10th of July, that is Sunday, and the founder of Quantman, Mr. Pandeyarajan, is going to conduct this webinar, and if you want you can join the webinar. Whoever wants to join the webinar will get a free credit of 300 rupees, which is worth for around backtesting maybe hundreds or 150 backtestings. Right now we will see about this platform, or we will see about this algo trading platform. Unlike other platforms, like I don't want to name them, this platform is pretty advanced. Like if you are like if you know, few days back there was corona issue and many people were working from home. Like now they have started going to office, and if you want to automate your trading system, you don't want to have any manual, like you don't want to do anything, like you want to execute the trade at around 9:30 or 10 o'clock, and you want to do the adjustments automatically, whether it is intraday trading or it is a monthly trading or weekly trading, whatever you want to do, if you do the automation, everything is going to be handled by Quantman algo trading platform. So that's what we are going to see in this video. This video, like this Quantman algo trading platform, is not only a algo trading platform, but you can also backtest some of the strategies, whether it is intraday strategies or any strategies or any adjustment what you want can be done automatically. All you have to do is you have to tell the algo what you have to do and what it has to do, and it will do automatically. Now let me show you some of the example. Now if you see this is the Quantman algo trading platform, and we are in the dashboard. Right now they have some strategies, like this is a very profitable strategy, short strangle 930 strategy with a 25% stop loss. So we will see what it has done. So this is the details of the strategy. So this is the cumulative profit of this strategy. This strategy from March of 11th 2019 till May 31st 2022 has given a profit of around good profit of around, I think, 3 lakhs. It has given a profit of around 3 lakhs, more than 3 lakhs. And if you see here, winning probability, average wins, lose, so everything is here. In fact, we will also test one, I'll back test one strategy also. So this is the profit and loss, heat map, like which month, like if you see August was in a loss, April was in a loss of 9,000, May was in a loss, a profit of I think 7,000. So everything is here. So not only about it's not only about algo trading, it's about backtesting also, and how you can automate the system so that you don't have to intervene in between, or you don't have to break your head like what is happening nowadays. Lots of volatile move up and down. So in order to avoid all these noises, you can go for algo trading. That's why we are introducing you to this algo trading platform. Now what I will do is I will just create one simple strategy and show you how things work out here. Right now I want to backtest, like you can backtest and live, you can do live trading also. And when it comes to live trading, they have integrated their system with many brokers. It is fully automated, one click deployment. Like if you just every day morning you just log in and that's it, finish, the system will do it everything automatically. So you have to get a API from your broker, whether it is for me it is Zebu or Kotak or Zerodha. So they have integration, they have integrated with many of the brokers. Okay, now let us do a simple backtesting. Now what I want to do is I want to do a backtesting in Nifty. Right, so I have selected Nifty. So what I do, I want to do backtesting from January, let's say January 2022, 1st of January 2022 till 30th June 2022, right? That is yesterday. So I'm shooting this video on 1st of July. So till yesterday, right? So I've selected Nifty. And not only like you can backtest strategies based on candlesticks, then you can do on Renko charts or some other candlestick, various chart patterns you can backtest, and various indicators also you can backtest. So lots of things are here, lots of conditions are here. It's a very pretty advanced system. That's why I cannot say everything in this video. That's why we are conducting a webinar. So if you want, you can join the webinar, right? Now, since I have selected Nifty, I want to backtest a simple straddle. I want to enter a straddle at 9:20 or 9:30, and I want to exit on 3 o'clock. So that's a very famous strategy, right? Daily strategy. Now what I have to do is I want to buy here, sell here. I am doing an intraday short straddle. The strategy is very simple. I do a short straddle. I sell at the money call option and at the money put option on every day at around 9:30, and I exit at around 3 o'clock, right? Or 3:15, and my stop loss is around 25%, right? So I am entering here 25% and I am entering here also 25%. So if either of the two legs hits stop loss, the system will automatically square off the one leg and it will continue with the other leg. So this is a very famous strategy, right? And you can also put a total strategy stop loss. If you are not specific, if you are not putting specific stop loss, you can put a complete stop loss 25%, or if you want to take profit also, you can mention it in percentage, or if you want, you can mention it in numbers. So there are lots of things here. So we will do what we will do here. We will change this to 9:30 and we will change this to around 3:15. So my strategy is very simple. I am doing a short straddle, going into a short straddle at 9:30 and exiting around 3:15. So we will run this strategy and we will see what is going to be the outcome of this strategy, or how much this strategy will be giving us a profit, right? So system is running. So we'll just wait and see how much this strategy is and I can tell you one more thing. Even though this systems will give you some figures, it might not be as relevant. So you will have to see. In reality, in backtesting, everything will be in green, but in reality, things may change. Okay. So if you see here, this system has given a revenue of around 37,342 for a single lot, which is from January 1st to around 20 till June 30th. So we have kept a 25% stop loss, and if you see here, this is the cumulative profit. And if you see this heat map, January it was in a profit of 10,000, February it was in a profit of 13,800, March it was in a loss, April, May, June. So every month it's in a profit only. And if you can see here, it is a very simple. It is showing all the cumulative profit and losses. So on first transaction, that is 3rd of January, 17,500 call option and 17,500 put option, one lot. So sell amount was around 276 and 273, and I think Nifty went on the upper side, and this 17,500 call option ended in a loss of around went to 346, and system would have squared off, and it ended up in a profit of 169. Then on second day, that is 4th of January, it was in a profit of 900, so on and so forth. So you can keep on seeing what is the strategy giving you, or how profitable this strategy is also. And I'll also show one more thing, like I also tested this personal strategy, my strategy. Now this was a strategy we did just few minutes back, and I tried a strategy in Bank Nifty which gave a profit of around 3,04,000, and this was also a very simple strategy. So it's a very pretty advanced and complex system. So that's what I'm saying. I cannot elaborate everything in a very in this video. So if you want, you can join the webinar. I will leave the link in the description below. So just go to the link and register yourself, and this is free only. You are going to get 300 rupees worth of credit if you attend this webinar. So that's it, nothing much. I hope to see you in the webinar. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.